Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Person's Chiropractor, and today I am going to be sharing one of my favorite tips for overall health and wellness because that is what we are all about here. And we are going to be talking about daily movement and why that's important. So, why is moving your body every day really, really important? Well, your body, first of all, is designed to move. We are not intended to stay in one position for hours on end. We're not supposed to sit at a desk or sit in front of a TV. We're really supposed to be up and moving. If you look at our ancestors and the way that our body is designed, it's made to thrive on movement. Moving daily will help you have less joint stiffness and pain. It's going to keep your muscles toned and working well. And it's also going to have a lot of mental health benefit. So, movement actually stimulates your brain better than pretty much anything else out there. There's a lot of input coming in, which your brain thrives on, and then it processes that and it creates the movement and it gives us output. And it can actually boost our mood because we're putting a lot of good information in there and we're getting a lot of the feel good hormones that are being released when we're doing that movement. So, next question or objection that I often get is, great, but I don't really like running. I don't have time to go to the gym, whatever that looks like. So that daily movement could be something as simple as taking your dog out for a 20 or 30-minute walk. It could be a quick yoga flow. It just means getting up and moving your body. It could be as simple as going and walking around at the grocery store, or, doing some chores around the house. Just making sure that we're not staying in one place for hours on end and getting our body moving and getting our brains engaged. So I hope you found this helpful. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Person's Chiropractor.